Phi might be one of the most canonical examples of a small language model that has been created recently. And we can take a look here that it is built by Microsoft Research. It's got 2.7 billion parameters, and it has some good characteristics here. And one of the things that we can take a look at here is that it is using this textbook quality data. So that's really one of the things that's different than these really large models, is that there is a focus on extremely high quality data. So this could also show that maybe in the future, this is the direction AI goes, as they partner with content creators and they specialize in training models on extremely high data. And this could really change things up quite a bit, because one of the things we can do if we look into the benchmarking here is that we can see that even though there are a much smaller amount of parameters, 2.7 billion parameters here, that it is able to beat other large language models on things like reasoning, understanding of language. Also, in the case of Llama 2, this is able to beat it by more than 3 times here in terms of the math. Also, we can see almost double coding, and we can see that it also compares favorably to other small models here. So what can we do to run this? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at this Mozilla Llama file here. You can see it's pretty easy to run Phi here, because you can use the curl or the Python example, and you can see that it's only 1.96 gigabytes. And if we want to run this, all I'd have to do is do /phi once I click on this and download it. I've already got that running, so I'm going to go ahead and go here. I'm going to put a prompt in that says, what is the square root of 16? Do a little bit of math, and then I can scroll down here and do send. And you can see it's pretty fast here in being able to go through and get all the answers. And we could also do other things. We could say, show me an equation for linear optimization, right? So not only does it have great math skills here, but it also has the ability to run extremely fast because of the size of the model. So there's some great characteristics here that we get by using a small language model, including potentially the surprisingly good performance. And so this could be a future trend, is that we start to see small language models that are specialized becoming more prevalent, and then it allows these small language models to actually run on smaller devices and even smaller form factors.